subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia announced two new phones in the U.S. market called Nokia C110 and Nokia C300. Among these two, the Nokia C110 is the most affordable phone. Now let's see the specifications of the Nokia C110 smartphone. The Nokia C110 sports a 6.3-inch HD Plus display, with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center, that carries a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone includes a single 13-megapixel main camera, with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. Under the hood, the Nokia C110 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by 3000 mAh battery, with 5W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.8 by 74 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 172 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Nokia C110 has been priced in the U.S. market at $99. And it will be available for purchase in single gray color option. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia C110 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.